Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing a sort of get ready with me, but using the products that we've received in this month's Look Fantastic. If you haven't already seen my video, I'll pop a link to it down below. But here are all the products that I'm going to be using in this video. So starting off with the hair mask, and then I go on to the cleanser, then the moisturiser, then a complexion sponge, then a lipstick, and then finishing off with a hand mask, just to give you an idea of what the products are like, how they are to apply, etc. And yeah, I just thought it would be nice to share with you. So let's go back to a couple of hours ago. This is a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap, suitable for both face and body, to nourish, soften and awaken the senses. So to rinse, I used a dampened cloth, and I just prefer doing it that way, only because I don't like water dripping down my wrists. And then I pat my face dry with a clean towel. So after using the Dr. Botanicals avocado and cucumber cleansing bar, which is absolutely gorgeous, I then went on to dry my hair. So this is what I look like now, ready for the next step. But before I go on to the moisturiser, I just wanted to talk about this hair mask, which I applied to my hair last night. This is a Grow Gorgeous Balance Overnight Hair Mask. It's a shine enhancing overnight mask. Everyone will receive one of these in their box. It's formulated to enhance shine, eliminate frizz, lock in moisture and leave your hair feeling silky soft. My hair's quite long and I don't like the feeling of going to bed with sticky wet hair, so I put it in a plait and I just find that works better for me. I use quite a bit of this mask on my hair. You're supposed to add it to your mid-lengths and ends first, and then make your way up your hair then to massage the rest in. It's a gorgeous scent. It stays tacky and sticky for a long time, but it's a mask, it's a hair mask, that's what you'd expect. But I'm really pleased with it. What I've noticed the most about it when I just dried my hair just now is that it gave my hair an added volume. My hair's quite flat, it's very straight. I find it really difficult to create any volume in there. It's left my hair feeling super soft and shiny. I do really like it. A bit of volume going on. So that's the hair mask. Next we got an Intense Moisture Cream by SVR. It's the outer packaging. It's a daily facial moisturiser that can be used day and night, and it's specially formulated to soothe dry skins and really great for sensitive skins as well. It's got a really lightweight velvety texture and it feels gorgeous on my skin. I love the feel of moisturiser just after cleansing your face. Oh, it just feels so nice. This moisturiser will keep your skin moisturised for up to 24 hours. And it's also formulated to minimise the risk of allergies. So that's an Intense Moisturising Cream by SVR. Next I'm going to use a So Eco Complexion Sponge. Perfect for applying liquid or cream products over your face. And yeah, it gives a really gorgeous, flawless, smooth finish. I'm just going to pop off and dampen this down and I'll be back. It's expanded quite nicely. And this is the proper test. If you've tried different complexion sponges before, then you'll know what I mean. Some feel super hard even when you've dampened it down, but no, this is a nice one. It's nice, big, bouncy and soft. So I'm gonna apply some foundation with it and see how it does. Excuse me looking down, my mirror is just below you. It feels so nice. I love doing my makeup with sponges, really love it, especially if you use cold water to expand the sponge beforehand. It just feels so refreshing on your skin. I really do like it. And yeah, this one is lovely. Just doing a very light foundation base. So now onto some concealer. And using the other side of the sponge, the little pointy bit, this is fab for getting into corners, especially around your nose and your eyes. So I just lightly tap that in under my eyes. Blend that out a bit. Turn the sponge upside down and I use what's already on the sponge from the foundation to blend the edges of the concealer and the foundation together. So there's no like stark difference then. I could carry on doing this for ages and ages until it loses its coldness. It just feels so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna have to stop. I really like this sponge. It's fab. I really do like it. So I'm gonna go off and apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and apply the lipstick that we've got in the box. Just finished my makeup, now onto the lipstick that's inside this month's box. This is a Sleek lipstick and this is a Matte Me liquid lipstick, and I've got it in shade French Fancy. Gorgeous, gorgeous bright pink shade. So I didn't want to do anything too dramatic as far as colour wise on my eyes, so I've gone for a striking wing, and then I thought all the colour would go to my lips. So this lipstick comes in 4 different shades and you can see the different colours there. So everyone will receive one of these at random. These lipsticks contain intense pigment, they're long lasting, non-drying, light texture and a matte finish. So let's get it on and see what the colour's like on my lips. It's a pretty colour, pretty pink. What I really love about this lipstick is the texture. It's like a mousse formula. So I've applied 1 layer onto my lips and it almost looks like I've smudged the lipstick in, and it's drying down pretty quickly. And also the wand as well, because it's got like a tip on the end, you're able to get right in at the cupid's bow and in at the corner of the lips. I really like this, but I'm going to intensify the colour, so I'm going to apply a 2nd layer. This has dried down pretty quickly. It feels really comfortable on my lips, and yeah, I do really like this lipstick. The colour is a little bit different to what I would normally wear, but I do really like it, and I think paired with the dark black eyes, I just think it looks quite nice. And lastly, some pampering for my hands. This is a hand mask by Star Skin. It's a Korean skincare brand. It's a hand mask designed to hydrate your cuticles and your hands. The masks have a double layer which gives like a sauna effect, and you're supposed to leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes and then take the masks off and then massage the remaining essence into your skin. Plus they contain a mix of 16 different essences and oils. So I'm going to try them on, I'm going to show you what they look like, and then I'm going to come back. I was going to say have a cup of tea, but I can't really, not with masks on, unless I grab someone in the house. But now I can't. Oh, ignore that. I'll just sit here and chill for 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, I can smell lemon in there. I absolutely adore lemon. Lemongrass. Yeah, you can smell all the oils. So just peel them off like that. Take off my rings. I've got quite a few rings on. I didn't think. It feels all cold and squelchy. There's a little sticker there. Just to tighten it around. Sticker on there, and I've stuck it. It's typical, I've stuck it there. Hopefully there's no hole. No. So stick it down there. So there we go. So I'm going to go off now, chill out for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. So they've been on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm just going to take them off and then massage the remaining essence into my hands. Got the serum in my fingernails there. I love masks for your hands and your feet as well. Pure luxury. I just really like it. My hands just look nice and clean. Not that they were dirty before, but they just look really nice and fresh. So those are all the products inside this month's Look Fantastic's Restorative Edition beauty box. So to recap, I'll just go through them one by one. So to start with, I used the Grow Gorgeous, the Overnight Hair Mask. Next, I cleanse my face using the Dr. Botanicals. This is an avocado and cucumber cleansing bar. I then prep my skin using SVR Intense Moisturizing Cream. Then I applied my foundation and concealer using a So Eco complexion sponge. And then I finished off my makeup by applying a lipstick by Sleek, and this is the Matte Me lipstick, and I have it in French Fancy. And then lastly, I finished off with giving my hands a bit of a treatment using the Star Skin hand mask. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed following along. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's Look Fantastic box? Do you like the format of this video? Is this something you'd like to see more of with other subscription boxes as well? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.